Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore AWS Amplify auth settings for no-code app projects. To restore AWS Amplify auth settings for your no-code app projects, begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amplify section from the Services menu. Select the specific Amplify project you wish to work on. In the project dashboard, locate the Backend Environment section. Click on the auth category to access the authentication settings. If you need to revert to a previous configuration, check the Actions drop-down menu. Select Redeploy this backend to return to an earlier state. Confirm the redeployment by reviewing the changes listed in the prompt. Wait for the process to complete. This may take a few minutes. Once completed, navigate to the User Pool option. Verify that the user pool settings match your desired configuration. You may also check the identity pool settings if applicable. If any alterations were necessary, return to the main. Select Backend Environments again. Click on Edit for the selected environment. Make any required changes to the auth settings. Monitor the Amplify console for any error messages during the deployment. Check your logs if you encounter any issues during the restoration process. Once everything looks good, test the authentication flow in your no-code app. Log in with a test user to ensure that the auth settings are functioning as expected. If successful, your AWS Amplify auth settings have been restored successfully. Keep documentation of these changes for future reference. You are now ready to continue developing your no-code app with the restored settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.